In 2024, 147 people in the United States were exonerated for crimes they did not commit. These individuals had collectively spent nearly 2,000 years in prison before being cleared. They had been convicted because evidence that could have proven their innocence was withheld. Witnesses gave false testimony, police or prosecutors engaged in misconduct, or forensic evidence was used incorrectly. The exonerations revealed deep flaws in the justice system. Some people confessed to crimes they did not commit due to intense pressure or coercion. Others were misidentified by eyewitnesses, or their legal defense was inadequate. False or misleading forensic evidence contributed to many convictions, and in some cases, multiple failures combined to keep innocent people behind bars for years or even decades. Among the 147 people exonerated, 85 have been convicted of homicide, including 81 murder convictions and 4 manslaughter convictions. 4 of these individuals have been sentenced to death before being exonerated. 9 people were exonerated of sexual offenses, 16 of other violent crimes such as robbery, assault, or attempted murder, and 37 of nonviolent crimes, including drug-related offenses. A significant portion of these cases involved convictions for crimes that did not actually occur. The causes of wrongful convictions were varied. In 104 cases, official misconduct by police, prosecutors, or other authorities contributed to the conviction. This included withholding evidence, tampering with witnesses, presenting false testimony, and acting deceptively in court. In 72% of cases, someone lied or gave false accusations that led to conviction. Mistaken eyewitness identification contributed to about 26% of the wrongful convictions. False confessions occurred in about 15% of cases, often resulting from intense questioning or coercion. Faulty forensic evidence played a role in 29% of cases, and inadequate legal defense contributed to about 1/3 of the wrongful convictions. In many instances, multiple failures combined to result in the conviction of innocent people. These exonerations were made possible through the work of innocence organizations and conviction integrity units. Innocence organizations assisted in 53 cases, conviction integrity units helped in 62 cases, and both worked together in 22 cases. In total, about 63% of the exonerations involved assistance from these professional advocates who reviewed evidence, uncovered new facts, and petitioned courts to overturn the wrongful convictions. The 147 exonerations came from 28 states and federal courts. 78% of the exonerees were people of color, and nearly 60% were black. The states with the highest number of exonerations included Texas, Illinois, Pennsylvania, and New York. Since 1989, over 3,600 exonerations have been recorded in the United States, representing tens of thousands of years lost to wrongful imprisonment. These cases show that wrongful convictions can occur in every type of criminal case, including the most serious offenses. They demonstrate that the justice system can fail repeatedly due to withheld evidence, false testimony, police and prosecutorial misconduct, faulty forensic evidence, and failures in legal defense. These errors allowed innocent people to spend years or decades in prison, while the real perpetrators remain free. The exonerations also highlight systemic racial disparities and underscore the ongoing need for reform to prevent future miscarriages of justice.